Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm just gonna be showing you guys my exhaust. So I did a muffler delete, so it's just a straight pipe where the muffler was, and I kept my valve so it can be quiet and loud whenever I want it to. And I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start, and there's a cat right there. Okay, now I'm gonna go back. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a cold start. Then we're gonna Then I'm gonna give you a little bit of POV after this cold start, and see you guys after. Peace. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take you on a quick little drive, you know, a little quick, like 30 second drive. But we'll see about it. See, let you guys have a car, and that's it. I get a little bit of wind noise, but it's really it. This camera, get you guys a little pull. Space, and I'm gonna kick it down. I'm gonna turn onto this road just to make a little quick U-turn. Down and make a U-turn. Let's back up. The space there. Put it back into drive. Good pulls. Alright, so now I'm gonna make this right. This is where the fun begins. Fast shifts. Amazing. Amazing. This 8-speed is crazy. BMW, I don't know what you did with this 8-speed, but whew, man, this thing is quick. This thing is pretty cool. Whew. Like, look, watch how it kicks down. It's so fast. Happens But so there's a quick little video, just a little quick cold start showing you guys the muffler delete. I'm gonna make a video soon showing you guys the outside with revs, things like that. I just have to help someone help me record while I'm doing that. But quick little video, and hope you guys enjoyed. And please subscribe, leave a like, and leave some comments in the description, down by the description, and peace. Thanks for watching. See you later. Boom.